Day, and probably as you see, my hair really shine a lot, if you see. Guys, my name is Yeva and welcome to Vice Yeva YouTube channel and blog. Since I had so many lovely comments from you guys about my hair, that they look very healthy and nice, and you would like to get some tips on hair care, I decided today to create a video for you guys about one procedure of my hair care. Right. This procedure, it's probably not gonna be your regular hair procedure. I use a lot of home remedy hair procedures. So it's gonna be one of those hair procedures with natural substance, what you can probably find in your kitchen. You're going to need gelatin, 100% pure honey, and apple cider vinegar. It's very easy and simple and really cheap to do it, and you're probably gonna find all the products what you need in your kitchen. You probably have them already. I actually just made that procedure yesterday, and probably as you see, my hair really shine a lot. If you see, I would say that this procedure actually reminds me a little bit how my hair looks like when before I used to go to the salon and do keratin or keratin cocoa procedure. So actually my hair looks a lot like after that fancy salon procedures. So, but those procedures you have to do monthly. So for example, if you don't have possibility to visit salon every month, you can try this procedure at home and see if you like. I meant beauty salon, if someone didn't understand me, because sorry, but English is not my first language, as obvious that is. Actually, I come across this procedure through YouTube. I did hear about it before, but I didn't really try it, or I didn't really know how to do it exactly. And actually I did saw a lot of videos on YouTube, like I think maybe 2-3 years ago. And then when I saw that so many people is trying it, I thought it can't be that bad, I will give it a go. And since then I never regret. I really, well, did plenty of times by now. I wouldn't recommend to do it too often because it's high protein hair treatment. So if you're gonna do it too often, it may dry your hair, so you don't want that at all. But I personally do it a couple times a year. I would say maximum do it once a month if that's what you want. But always have a look on your hair. How do they feel after the procedure? Because it's high protein hair treatment. After doing this treatment, you gonna need some hair mask who moisturizes, like really good hair mask, hydrates, or as well. I must say that unfortunately mask is not suitable for vegetarians or vegans because main ingredient is gelatin. And you know, gelatin is from beef. There is a vegan version of gelatin. Since I never tried, I don't know if the outcome would be the same.
You're going to need clean dish, any dish of your choice. Fill it in with warm water, very important, not too cold, not too hot, just warm. Start with gelatin. Pour it in and mix it well. Take your time, mix it very well. Should look something like that.
And then just leave it for 10-20 minutes. Go your washer here. By then gelatin gonna do its work. It's very important at the beginning to put just gelatin. Don't put yet the other ingredients. Washer here only with shampoo. It's very important. Don't put straight away conditioner or hair mask after you wash your hair with shampoo. Just wash it with shampoo, and then after that go back to mix it everything.
Once back, it should look like that, everything melted nicely and properly. Put 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it properly. Put in a smidge of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything well.
Once you finish mixing up your hair treatment, after you wash your hair with only shampoo, put hair treatment on your hair. Keep hair treatment at least 20 minutes. If you can, half an hour. It's very important that your room temperature would be warm enough. So if it's cold outside, maybe don't open the windows. As well, after you put the treatments, you're gonna need to put something on your head, on your hair, so that they would stay really warm. You can use it towel, you can use a head towel.
Any towel of your preference.
Or you can use, one of those hair bags, what I think normally you put on when you go to shower. If you don't want to make your hair wet, you can use it something like that and then cover it up with the towel. Because the warmer your hair gonna be, the hair pores gonna open and it's gonna be more beneficial. Or actually, you know what, you can even use it before. You can use it just a regular supermarket bag. Obviously, don't cover your face with bag and make sure that it's clean. You can put it around your hair and then put the towel on. I did that a couple times before and that's actually alright. Once 20-30 minutes passed, you finish with hair treatment, then just rinse it with warm water. You do not need to wash your hair again with the shampoo, just rinse it with the warm water and then just use your regular hair conditioner and hair mask and keep again the hair towel or whatever you decided to use for another 20-30 minutes, so it's really nice and moisturized.
Just using here my regular hair conditioner. Trying this new long hair mask.
after that, just rinse with the warm water your hair mask. Then wait until your hair gonna be dry, or if you are using hair dryer, make sure that your hair is really nice and dry. And then, it's not necessarily, but I would recommend straighten your hair, because straightening will give you that beauty salon look. Then your hair gonna look even nicer, and as well it's gonna open your pores again, and gonna do a bit of extra. See you next time, my loves. Bye!